Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists, welcome on this sunny Saturday morning. I hope you had a fantastic week. Welcome to our show. I'm your host Gary G, and these are the topics of today's show. The Porsche 918 Spyder, a new build, brand new build is gonna be started, and thoughts about this new build. But first, as always, the riddle! In which year did Ferdinand Porsche build the first hybrid car of the world? 1819, 1900, or 1910? The answer is always the end of the show. In the garage we started a brand new build. It's gonna be the Porsche 918 Spyder. It's a fantastic car, it's a hybrid, but see for yourself how all started down in the garage. Yeah, here in the garage we start a brand new build. It's gonna be the Porsche Spyder 918. I painted the parts and started with the motor assembly. It was a very nice and different approach to build this V8 engine. Next step, give that car some paint. Now mount the motor and the chassis. Few last steps, but now back in the studio. This week we started a new build, the Porsche 918 Spyder. With this car, Porsche continued the old tradition of the company, the hybrid car. I challenged myself this time to build everything box stock. As you know, usually I try and love to make a lot of scratch builds. This time I want to have a different challenge. I kind of thought, do something different this time. So I'm looking forward to this build and let's see how it ends up. But now, the riddle! Porsche built the first hybrid car of the world. The Loner Porsche was the name. A four-wheel drive vehicle and driven by an normal engine and an electric engine. Had like all four wheels had electro motors in. But in which year did he build it? Figure out in the riddle. So my friends, this Saturday morning show is almost over. I want to thank you guys for the nice comments on the Quick Tip Tuesday videos. I hope some of those tips are useful for you, no matter if you just a beginner, started it a hobby, or you're an old dog, do it for decades. I hope, it's still helpful or at least inspiring for you. Now, Elise. Love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday. Keep on building. YouTubians and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another episode of Car Dreams in Styrene. I'm your host, Gary G. Styrene.